Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can turn on the LED notification or flash notification on your Samsung Galaxy A05s. For that we want to go to our settings, and now we want to go to accessibility, and here we want to go to advanced settings, and now we have notifications here, flash notification. We want to click on it, flash the camera light or the screen when you receive notifications or when alarms sound. We have the camera flash notification, and here we can also say what apps we want to be able to access the flash notification, and we can also turn some apps off. And then we can also say screen flash notification, and then we can turn that on, and here we can say all apps. And here we can also change the color, and then we can say all apps or selected apps. So that is totally up to you. And now we can say preview, and then if you get notifications, your screen would look like this. And maybe we can also see the back, yes. So that is what it looked like if you have your phone laying down like this and you get a notification. If you've done that, you can just go back, use your phone as normal, and then you have the flash notification turned on. So that's how you can turn on the flash notification on your Samsung Galaxy A05s. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.